5 things that we learned about Orlando Pirates win over Milford. Orlando Pirates won by 2-0 Escodini, Orlando Amstel Arena. Yes. First thing to note, Uguti, that position of number 6, number 8, I will just mention them because it's more or less similar players, where Utansin was making them dance Sweeney over that game. We've learned that it looks like the new signings will stay even longer on the bench or on the stands for that matter, because Utansin is making them dance and is just stepping up to that role, and he's trying to own it. You can already tell that boy is a future Bafana captain. He's also the heir to Umrembula, Utemza Mukwena. I don't care who says what, but yeah, true. Number 2, number 10, Pirates need serious attention, to pay serious attention to that position, because it looks like Utito won't be the solution to each and every game that we have in that position. His game is a little bit slow. Maybe he is more of a player who likes to calm things down, whereas our football, you remember when there was Rele around, it was more of a quicker play all the time. Another thing, this thing of inverted 10s with Apolis, it doesn't seem to work, or I would say maybe Apolis still need to rest a little bit, because it doesn't look like Ifomiake is picking up at the moment. But hopefully, as isikhathi sihamba, he will pick up. Number 3, we need a center pairing. Yeah, Siema, fantastic. There's nothing you can blame on that boy. I saw other people say Agazaza announce. Now he announces himself. What's the best way of announcing yourself? If Uzo's announcer with what vele thina sikufunayo, which is to play football to the best of your ability. So Siema is the best, but I don't think Siema is good pairing with Usibisi. We love Usibisi. He's our captain, he's our soldier, he's our true servant. In that dressing room, Benotogi. But I do feel like we need to give opportunity to other players in that position. The battle of number 3s. Ubani Kehla. That's my number 4 on the list. Uhoto with Rapo. Already coach mentioned that he will introduce these players little by little. He won't repeat the same mistake he did last year. So the battle of number 3s. Already Hoto, you can tell Hoto is still on that formula last season. Yes, I'm a pass here and there are not as perfect, but it's the first game. You cannot really falter him that much. And a lot of players in that setup, they were doing one and the same thing. So watch out for that one, the battle of number 3s. My prediction still remains that the heir of number 3, Modiba Bafana, is Orap. That's my prediction. Yeah. Going forward, I think we have a new superstar with Pirates, which is Moreme. I know a lot of people will bash me about this because I used bold words, superstar, like Mufukeng type of person, but I'm talking about this in this way because Ukombisuguti, we can trust him. We can trust Moremi. His game has matured even more. He is no longer doing what he used to do last season, where he would shoot anywhere, not pass, like doing wrong passes. He still needs to improve, because I think but you can already tell within the team. So that's my number 5. Tell us nina bafethu on the comments ukuthi yipi ipart oyibone ibaluleke kakhulu to pay attention to. We'll see you on another one.